The Ridgeback breeds are ancient, mysterious, and there are ongoing debates about their origin. If you don't know it, there are three Ridgeback breeds. The most popular, Rhodesian Ridgeback, which hails from South Africa, and then the two breeds from Asia, Thai Ridgeback and Vietnamese Ridgeback, also known as Phu Quoc Ridgeback. While the Thai and Vietnamese Ridgebacks evolved in geographically similar area, the Phu Quoc Island and the isolated parts of eastern Thailand, the Rhodesian Ridgeback evolved in completely different part of the world. But according to an older genetic study, the geographical origin of the ridge present in Ridgeback dogs is still a mystery. Thus, solid proof has now been provided that the ridge mutation in Ridgeback dogs is identical by descent, and the likelihood of parallel mutations occurring in Asia and Africa can therefore be rejected. This would mean that the ridge mutation in Ridgeback dogs, including Rhodesian Ridgebacks, Phu Quoc Ridgebacks and Thai Ridgebacks, is the same across these breeds. This means that the ridge trait is caused by a specific genetic mutation. The likelihood of parallel mutations, which means that the ridge trait evolved independently in Asia and Africa, is considered as low. This implies that the ridge trait is not a result of similar genetic changes occurring separately in different breeds, but rather the result of a single ancestral mutation that spread across different breeds. But it is more than certain that none of these breeds is a direct ancestor of another one. The Rhodesian Ridgeback evolved too far away from the other two, and its main ancestor is considered to be the Khoikhoi dog, which was a dog of indigenous Khoikhoi tribe. In the 17th and 18th centuries, European settlers, including Dutch, Portuguese and German colonists, arrived in southern Africa. These settlers brought various breeds of dogs with them, such as Mastiffs, Great Danes, Bloodhounds, Greyhounds and Terriers. To create a dog suited to the African environment and capable of hunting large game, settlers began crossbreeding their European dogs with the local Khoikhoi dogs. This blending of breeds aimed to combine the hunting and guarding instincts of European breeds with the hardiness of the Khoikhoi dogs. The Phu Quoc and Thai Ridgeback could be more directly related due to the fact that their original geographical regions are relatively close to each other, and for a long time it was commonly thought that the Phu Quoc Ridgeback derives from the Thai Ridgeback, but recent research suggests otherwise. According to a genetic analysis, the Phu Quoc Ridgeback is most closely related to Korea's Pungsan dog. The breed completely evolved in isolation of the Phu Quoc Island, but we don't know when and how the first dogs came into this island. The breed's exact origins are somewhat obscure, but it is considered to be an indigenous breed that evolved in relative isolation of the island. The Phu Quoc Ridgeback developed through natural selection, adapting to the local environment. These dogs became great hunters, able to navigate the island's dense forests and rugged terrain. They hunted small to medium-sized game, contributing to their agility, speed and keen senses. The Phu Quoc Ridgeback is considered as a national treasure in Vietnam and holds cultural significance, and given its rarity and the risk of losing its unique genetic traits, there have been efforts to conserve and promote the breed both within Vietnam and internationally. These efforts include establishing breed standards and promoting responsible breeding practices. The last Ridgeback is the Thai Ridgeback. Similarly to the other two, even their history is surrounded by mystery, and we don't have much information about it. The Thai Ridgeback is believed to have existed for centuries, possibly thousands of years, in the eastern part of Thailand. Archaeological evidence suggests that similar dogs were present in the region as far as 3,000 years ago, which would make it one of the oldest of all dogs we have today. The breed developed in relative isolation in eastern Thailand, particularly in the provinces of Chanthaburi, Rayong and Tra. This isolation helped preserve its unique characteristics and prevent extensive crossbreeding with other dog populations. Similarly to the Vietnamese Ridgeback, even the Thai Ridgeback is considered as a national national treasure in Thailand, reflecting its cultural and historical importance. The breed is celebrated for its loyalty, hunting skills, and guarding abilities. In conclusion, it's very likely that the three Ridgeback breeds are somehow historically related together. It can be thanks to a shared ancient ancestor, or possibly by ancient migration and trading routes that spread the Ridge trade. But all three breeds have ancient origin, and it's impossible to trace it back properly due to lack of historical evidences, and we will probably never know the truth about this topic. Tell me your thoughts on this topic in comments below, and tell me which Ridgeback breed is your favorite and what is your experience with it. If you are new on this channel, consider subscribing, turn the notifications on, and check the Rocadog's links in description. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.